From today we are starting JavaScript. So JavaScript is a very simple language. It's a lightweight language and it is used to write the client side coding. Now we have to include the JavaScript in HTML, okay? Where whenever you are creating HTML document, for writing JavaScript you have to use the HTML document, and this for writing JavaScript you have to use tag script, and it is having two attributes. First one is language and another one is type. So language, if you are writing JavaScript, you have to write the language equals to JavaScript and type equals to text or JavaScript. So this was about the tag script. Next, in tag script, opening tag and closing tag, you will be writing the code for the web page, and the code will be included in these tags, okay? This is the opening and closing tags. And for displaying any message, you have to write document dot write statement, okay? And in that, whatever you write will be displayed in the web page. Now let us see how it is getting displayed. So in the browser you see message hello, and if suppose you want to write some comment, a single line comment can be written with the help of double slash. This is a comment. So the comment is used to describe the function of the program. This was about the first video of JavaScript.